Have you ever experienced the cold dread that comes with the words public speaking in a professional setting? You're not alone. We, at Interview Insider, have felt that swift rush of adrenaline, the fluttering heartbeat, the sudden dryness in our throat. It's a feeling all too familiar to many of us. Public speaking, especially in a job environment, is a fear that's as common as it is debilitating. But here's the thing, it's a fear that holds us back. In the professional world, the ability to communicate effectively, to sway an audience, to articulate your ideas with clarity and confidence is paramount. It's a skill that can set you apart, that can propel your career to heights you've only dreamed of. And yet it's a skill that many of us shy away from, a challenge we'd rather not face. But what if we told you, mastering public speaking is easier than you think? So how can you conquer the fear of public speaking and make a lasting impression? Well, let's delve into some practical tips that can help you do just that. First and foremost, preparation is key. Familiarize yourself with your content until you can talk about it in your sleep. This doesn't mean you should memorize every word, but rather, you should understand your topic well enough to speak about it naturally. Next, it's crucial to understand your audience. Are they experts in the field, or are they new to the subject? This will help you tailor your speech to their level of understanding, making it more engaging and effective. Visual aids can be a powerful tool when used effectively. They can help to illustrate complex concepts or highlight key points. But remember, they are there to support your speech, not replace it. Engaging with your audience is another important aspect. Try to make your speech interactive. Ask rhetorical questions, pause for effect, or even tell a relevant story. This makes your presentation more interesting and helps to keep your audience's attention. And finally, managing nerves. This is something that even the most experienced speakers struggle with. Breathing exercises can help, as can positive visualization. And remember, it's perfectly okay to be nervous. It shows you care about delivering a good presentation. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect, but to effectively communicate your message and engage your audience. So take these tips and start practicing. After all, practice makes perfect. So, to sum up, public speaking is a skill, not a talent. It's all about preparation, being in tune with your audience and engaging them in a conversation rather than a monologue. It's about managing your nerves and turning them into a source of energy. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep refining your technique, keep learning, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to becoming a confident and effective public speaker in any job environment. Now go out there and conquer. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by leaving a like and subscribe for more practical tips about personal development and career success.